I'm Aishwarya from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Our mini project title is Generative AI Dangion Master Assistant that can automatically generate stories, respond to player actions, and manage the game using AI. This allows player to enjoy RPGs without depending on a human Dangion master. The statement of the problem. The statement of the problem is true. Traditional RPGs depend completely on a human Dangian master. This causes problems such as high preparation time, limited availability of Dangian masters, repetitive or fixed storyline. So there is a need for an intelligent AI-based system that can dynamically act as a Dangian master. The purpose or the objectives of the project is to automate RPG storytelling using AI, respond dynamically to player choices, reduce human effort, provide an engaging single player RPG game. The inclusions and the exclusions that are all included here. And so the scope is to generate dynamic RPG stories, respond to player actions in the real time, manage the game state, health, score, level, support the single player RPG experience. Target audience to they are RPG players, game developers, students learning AI and game development. Deliverables: interactive AI-driven RPG system, story continuation based on player choices, player statistical dashboard. Inclusions and the exclusion: text-based story generation, player actions like attack, defend, explore and talk, AI-generated NPC responses, tracking player health, score and level. Exclusions are multiplayer support, 3D graphics or animation, voice interaction, real-time combat physics. Data used and the limitations are player actions input, game start data, predefined prompt and rules, AI generated responses. Limitations are AI responses may vary, internet is required for AI API, no visual representation, limited control over randomness. And then methodology is to follow these are all the condition. And then when it comes to architectural diagram, front end collects player actions, back end handles game logic and rule, AI API generates story and NPC responses, game state is stored and uploaded dynamically. And then followed by use case diagram. Use case diagram describe how a user interact with the gamified productivity and behavior tracking system to achieve a specific goal. It explains the flow of action, system responses, and expected outcomes. Design use case diagram. These are the example for this, and then followed by these are the class diagram. So class diagram represent player class such as health, score, level, game state class, AI response handler, action processor, and then these are the sequence diagram for our project. This mainly focus on player input, backend validation, AI prompt generation, AI response, game state update, and then output display. These are the algorithms what are all we used here. Initially we should start the game and player start it, display the story control, accept the player action, and then update the game state, send prompt to an AI, generate story continuation, update score and state, display the output, and then followed by hardware and software selections used. In hardware, we should be use personal computer with minimum RAM and internet connections. For software, React JS for front end, Node.js and Express for backend, and then Open API. If we use it, we should use this AI engine. And then in our main project, we should be focused on with using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The implementation is front end collects the player action and then backend manages. AI API generates the story and NPC responses. Game state code stored and update it dynamically. And these are the output we should receive. And then in Visual Code, these are the code folder. The app.py, which should mainly focus on the core logic of the D&D generator, and followed by attribute, controller, Dangion, item, name, pages, room for UL, unit, utility. These are the main things we should use here. And then important JavaScript files are app.js, unit.js, image under the folder. We have in image folder we have the stored image we should use in the project. Static website files are index.html, main.html file, it entry point for the web application. And then SEO and metadata files also we have. That all are robots.txt, sitemap.html, humans.txt, document.read. So these all are the overall folder structure of my project. I have followed a modular design where each folder handles a specific responsibility such as Dangion generation, room description, item generation, and UI handling. This structure improves the clarity, reusability, and maintainability. And then these are the test cases we should see. And in finally we should get the results: successfully generated dynamic RPG story, player actions affected game outcome, reduced need for human dungeon master, engaging replayability. And conclusion: the generative AI dungeon master assistant provides an intelligent and flexible RPG experience. It automates storytelling and decision making, making RPGs accessible to everyone. Thank you.